Hey everyone, I'm Noah Flynn, and recent advancements in medicine have introduced drugs that have increased my quality of life in dealing with a chronic medical condition. Development of novel therapeutics impacts all of our lives, and AI will greatly influence development of new medicine, which is why I wrote Machine Learning for Drug Discovery. Using case studies, we'll build up foundational knowledge of drug discovery and fundamentals of machine learning and deep learning, including large language models and generative AI. Along with their applications, such as AlphaFold. We will explore, visualize, and analyze chemical and biological data with open source tools and methods that are generally applicable, such as modeling best practices and PyTorch to train and evaluate models. Each chapter is structured around real-world scenarios and iteratively builds up a coded step-by-step solution. By the end, you'll be able to understand, replicate, and improve upon publications in this field, no matter what background you come from. Life science or machine learning training are not necessary. All you need to get started is an introductory level of programming experience. So check out the book and happy learning.